Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Madam Munira. Today, me and my friends, we are in the same group in doing SCL Mathematics. So, my name is Alisa. My friend Arisha, Balkis and Hafiz are going to present our SCL Mathematics. I will pass to my teammates to present their works.
Thank you, Alisa. My name is Barkis Umaira and I will explain question 6. So question 6 is 3 different beverages are sold at a fast food restaurant: soft drinks, tea, and coffee. Question 1, explain why the types of beverages sold is an example of a categorical qualitative variable. It is because it is a variable that categorizes or describes an element of a population. Next, explain why the type of beverages sold is an example as nominal scale variable, because it is a variable that is not categorized in a specific order. And the last question for question number 6, soft drinks are sold in 3 sizes at a fast food restaurant: small, medium, and large. Explain why the size of the soft drink is an example of ordinal scale variables, because it is a variable that may be categorized in order. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you, Balkis. Now I will continue present the next question, which is question 8. So the question is, for each of the following variables, determine whether the variable is qualitative or quantitative. If the variable is quantitative, determine whether the variable is discrete or continuous. In addition, determine the level of measurement for each of the following. So number 1, amount of time spent shopping in the bookstore. The answer is it is quantitative and also continuous. Second, number of textbooks purchased. It is quantitative and also continuous. Third, academic costs. It is qualitative and also considered as nominal. Lastly, gender. Gender is qualitative and also nominal. That's all for me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Arisha. So, I will be explaining question 14. So, for the question 14, the question gives data that shows the amount of soft drinks of 50 bottles. So, 50 datas are given, and the question asks me to construct a distribution frequency table and an OGIF. So, by using the Sturge formula, number of classes can be calculated. So 1 plus 3.3 log 50, which is 50, is the amount of data given. The amount of classes calculated is 7 classes. Thus, the distribution frequency table are constructed. There are 7 classes, and the total of frequency is 50. The second question is, it asks me to construct or give. Arisha, can you move to the next page? So this is the OGIF that were constructed based on the frequency table that were drawn. So for the question B, it asks, does the amount of soft drink filled in the bottles concentrate around the specific values? Yes, around the values of 1.957 to 2.018 has the highest number of soft drinks filled in the bottle. So that's all for question 14. I will pass to Hafiz to represent the next question.
Next, I will continue for the question 23. So for the question for 23, A, obtain the first and third quartile. So for the question to find the first and third quartile, we have to arrange the sequence from the low of the value to the height of the value. So from this table, we can divide by 2 of the sequence, and by added the 1 until 8, and we have to divide by 2 to get the quartile first, which is we can get between 4 and 5. So we have to divide by 2 and get first quartile is 4.5. And third quartile is between 15 until 16. So we have to divide 15 plus 16 divide by 2 and we get 15.5 for third quartile. So for next, the question is find the interquartile range. We have interquartile range, we have to minus third quartile minus first quartiles. So we get 11 by 15.5 minus 4.5 and the interquartile range is 11. So next, B, find the 10 and 19 percentiles. So for percentile, we have to find the R. So for the 10 percentile, we have 24 multiplied by 10 and divide by 100 and we get R is 2.4, which is the P10 is 3, the observation is 2. By the sequence, the third numbers of the sequence is 2. So for the 19 percentiles, we have to find the R, which 24 multiplied by 19 divided by 100 and we get 21.6, which is the P19 is 22. So the observation, the sequence from the sequence is the number in 22 is 20. So next for the question 26. For the question 26, the question 12, RM12 and RM20, RM60, RM80 and RM90. So first of all, we have to find the sample variance and standard deviation. So for sample variance, we have to find the x squared, the summation of x squared, and we get 1485. Next, we have to find the summation of x, which is 85, and the number of value is 5, and we just enter the formula and we get the sample variance is 10. So the standard deviation, we can get standard deviation by square root the sample variance and we get 3.16 for standard deviation. So that's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.